Today is review day, people, and I'll be reviewing my service that I offered to a friend of mine, and we'll be asking questions like how has the Wi-Fi extender been treating them, and what are the benefits, if they've had challenges also. So yeah, stay tuned, and shout out to my new subscribers, shout out to the new viewers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I don't know, it's here, yeah, right there. Subscribe to the channel, and not to miss out, on any video that I'm gonna post, any home upgrade that's coming through. And yeah, shout out. So far, it's really wrong device.
Dog, what I can say so far, everything is good, dog. Everything is not. It's better than before. Yeah, it's better than before. They get it.
But before like extender Wi-Fi, like how no it's wrong
connect.
Sure.
It's like so called jack, and I get so Wi-Fi dog. Yeah, once kids are going to disconnected, dog. I can't relax. Connect. Come in, Jali cake and plug for one. So don't until you covered.
I know where they know. So no like stream about Netflix.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's a good thing about this thing. Whatever what we want, now can get to see it all.
And then speed is our Wi-Fi, so like is it slow, fast?
No, it's okay. Yeah, I can say it's better than before. If I can say it's faster.
It's faster.
Yeah, it's faster.
And then the cover spaces is because I wanna how you control.
Yeah.
The show Wi-Fi ya control.
Yeah.
How no but I'll connect how you know I
connect. Yeah.
So how look at you home well it's hard everywhere.
Yes.
And then can't ya khona.
Yeah, more actually can't mo getting ya it's it's only Wi-Fi control can't it's maybe more sitting place more me go then this no extender corner am I getting then still I can still be connected to
Wi-Fi. But any advice you want to share about interested to go on but skeptical about understanding the benefits and who want to actually know more. Is there something you want to share?
Yeah, what I can tell people, they must get extender. It's really good. I can do sharp. All of the movie or general social media and stuff. At least you can be connected to while Wi-Fi elegant and stuff. So the total there's a kitchen today gets it and so I can recommend it to you.
And you pay once.
You pay once. You pay once.
I'm gonna extend that to anywhere more.
Sure, so it's good. People should go try it out and
okay. I tell you one. Thank you so much, man.
That's my good review.
Thank you.